There's nothing quite like a custom tile mosaic. It's always gorgeous, yet entirely unique to you. It doesn't matter if it's a kitchen backsplash, statement wall, or bathroom floor, coming up with a custom tile design is exciting, but can seem intimidating at the same time. We have quite a bit of experience when it comes to designing and creating custom tile, so we always have plenty of resources to share. Here's our step-by-step guide for designing a custom tile backsplash that'll make things a little easier on your end. First things first, get inspired. The saying might be tired, but you really can find inspiration anywhere. Browse Pinterest, flip through magazines, or even take a walk outside. Think about what colors and textures you gravitate towards, and start to develop a mood board. A mood board showcases the materials you're vibing with, and allows you to see your vision laid out. Once you have a better idea of what you want to achieve and what tile you're looking for, it's time to order tile samples. Next up, you'll want to measure your space. It's important to be as specific as possible here, so include drawings or photos as a guide. You'll measure the height and width of your space to find the total number of area in inches, then divide the sum of those numbers by 144 to get the square footage needed. For more pointers on how to get the most accurate measurements, check out our video on how to measure for tile, linked in the description. After taking down your measurements, it's time to get in touch with our sales team to get the party started. We'll be able to provide you with an initial pricing estimate and an option for our design package, which we strongly recommend. Our design team is primed to help you with all the steps of the process. You're in the best hands. Creating personal relationships with our clients and making them feel seen and heard is big in our book. Now the fun part, coming up with a design. Mercury Mosaic's founder and owner Mercedes Austin says, when choosing colors and designs for your home, always remember that colors and trends will come and go, so create a space that makes you happy, and your life will launch off that. The design process begins by working with a member of our team to pick a shape, color palette, and design. We'll create a CAD, short for computer-aided design, based on your specific measurements and design requests. Our design team will color the CAD following your color choices, keeping in mind the degree of variation you want. You'll receive a colored CAD along with the chosen color palette, which includes our suggestions for grout colors. The next step in our design process is a redesign. As much as we want to nail it the first time, we often have to do some fine-tuning based on your feedback. Once your design is finalized, we get started on the next step, production. Every single piece of tile is hand-cut, brushed with a glazed, fired to a sheen, and laid out to perfection. In fact, every single piece of tile goes through 16 pairs of hands before it ships. In order to ensure easy installation, the layout for your design is adhered to a mesh backing with 1/8 of an inch space between each tile to allow for grout. We cut the sheets into numbered sections, making installation a breeze, and have a map to help you know where to place each piece of tile. We pride ourselves on the level of detail that goes into this process to ensure that even complex designs are an easy install. We love hearing how much tile installers like working with our tile. Once everything is good to go, we'll ship your custom mosaic directly to your door. We do our best to take out any remaining guesswork, but we're always available to answer any questions you might have along the way. Our kiln is always fired up and ready to go. All you have to do is reach out today to get started.